A poem titled Fog. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbour and city on silent haunches and then moves on. The poet is Carl Sandburg. Glossary. On haunches means sitting with knees bent. Thinking about the poem. Number 1. Part 1. What does Sandburg think the fog is like? Number 2. How does the fog come? Number 3. What does it in the third line refer to? Number 4. Does the poet actually say that the fog is like a cat? Find 3 things that tell us that the fog is like a cat. Number 2. You know that a metaphor compares 2 things by transferring a feature of one thing to the other. See Unit 1. Now part 1 of this question. Find metaphors for the following words and complete the table which is given hereafter. Also try to say how they are alike. The first is done for you. The first one is storm, tiger, pounces over the fields or growls. Now comes train, then fire, then school, and then home. You have to fill in the gaps with appropriate answers. Number 2. Part 2. Think about a storm. Try to visualize the force of the storm. Hear the sound of the storm. Feel the power of the storm and the sudden calm that happens afterwards. Write a poem about the storm, comparing it with an animal. Number 3. Does this poem have a rhyme scheme? Poetry that does not have an obvious rhythm or rhyme is called free verse.